tuning in from the bus, also those tuning in at home, in the village, in the settlement, also at your workplace, in the car, in the bus, Eleanor.
Very good morning to all the students and all the people who are in the bus, boarding the bus right now.
Okay.
To go to work and to school, taxis, minibus, and even the private cars that are tuning in this morning, this rainy morning.
Right.
A very good morning to you.
Well, good
morning to all the students joining this morning.
Right.
Not forgetting all the drivers of the public transport, the school bus, the van, the owners, cars. Good morning to you, and also to the parents.
Yeah.
It's been a rising involving this morning.
Of
It will
course.
be a heavy rain. Heavy rain. After heavy rain, there will become a flooding.
Right.
Be careful where you go. Or whatever you do,
Right.
students will go to school.
Right.
They should beware proper.
Wear seatbelts.
During the car vehicle.
Right.
Proper uniform. Proper
Cardigan. Yes.
The scarf.
Yeah.
The pom-pom if needed. The
Earbud.
doon na kanikili-kili. The stocking.
Right.
And also to help them.
Right.
Be comfortable.
Right.
During school hour.
Kalabati Rock morning.
Right.
Vani and Melanie at the level all the way from Brisbane.
Right.
Yanvinaka.
And all those tuning in from overseas in the live stream, thank you so much for tuning in this morning. I want to say Mbulabinaka to all the boys from the village. They just left this morning. In Suba, they're going down the west. They're leaving our show sometimes today. Going to the Ombalamalahu in Blenheim in New Zealand. Thank you so much for tuning in from the Sobas this morning. Rainy season.
Yes. Pagkalital ito nga na taong biniuday, Tunuloa Catholic Primary School. Maraya tubay tuning in from Tunuloa Catholic School.
Right.
Kahit kumo ko ay Miriba Malutu, Koratuda.
All right.
Epa Tigo Tamaybati, good morning to you and also to the family joining from Nendi.
Right.
To Epa, to Bati. Thank you very much for joining this morning.
Right.
And also to different organizations you are forming.
Right.
Different ministry you are in.
All right.
Different contour you are stand.
Right.
Different terracing you are farming.
Right.
And different oblong you are flying.
Right.
We are welcome you this morning without Palangi.
Right.
And welcome you to be part of this morning. Tamay Makelina.
Right.
Tanamboro.
Prison compound.
Yeah. Good morning to you.
Right.
And the family
Right.
joining this morning.
Who is more likely to borrow money and forget to pay? Is it mommy or daddy? Mommy.
No, Daddy.
Daddy.
Yes.
Daddy, daddy don't did you know that?
Yeah, because mommy
Maybe
hardly.
no with your
Mommy
mommy.
hardly.
Anywhere.
Hardly. Mommy hardly.
Kaya
Mommy
baka
don't
din na daddy by
credit.
mommy, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nangaisaw mi mata ba?
Because mommy
that's
and
a
daddy
family.
equals one.
Ah.
Mommy plus daddy equals one.
Even if you borrow money, who forgets to pay?
It's daddy.
Daddy.
Yes, because daddy is
Where
very
there is
forgetful.
love,
You
where
know,
there
the
is
brain
love.
is very weak.
Slowly.
Where there is love, there is no business.
Okay. What's your point of view?
My point of view, where there is love, there is no business.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
if mommy borrows money,
Yeah. From
does she
who?
pays it on time? From anywhere or from daddy?
Why he borrow money from anywhere? Because daddy is there.
Oh, because sometimes daddy is away.
If mommy borrow money from anywhere, that means mommy is doing another daddy.
So you don't have to borrow money.
Don't borrow money to
Right.
any other. You have to borrow money to daddy because
Yeah.
daddy is there to help you
Right.
whenever wants or needs you.
So daddy,
This
your
money.
job is
Right.
to when mommy wants money, you give money.
Why money when daddy is there?
Yeah. If you don't give money,
Yeah.
money to mommy,
Yeah, okay.
then there's a lot
Then,
of daddy.
then mommy will go to another daddy.
Yes.
That's what you do. I'm telling.
I'm telling.
No, because every time
Right.
we have to be equalized.
Right.
Oh.
Rainy Mapaulini says,
Oh.
give me my money.
Yeah.
Okay, another question to you
Yes.
two. Eh?
Yeah.
Who's the better liar in a relationship?
Oh, daddy.
Mommy.
Okay, you first. Explain.
Why?
Who is a better liar in a relationship?
When daddy is truthful.
Right.
Yes.
Nangoni sin vasinaitikino daddy enandina.
Right. English.
He won't lie.
Right.
Yes.
He won't lie.
Right.
Mommy, because as gang, when we lie, it's very, very
What?
total on the tomboy.
Right.
Yes.
Very fast to catch.
Catch a fire.
Catch a fire ngor na meke. It's very easy to catch. When mommy is lying,
Right.
it's very hard to catch because them,
Yeah.
their only weapon is their mouth.
Okay.
Iyo.
Right.
Pero minsan kita katugurin doon na ka.
Right.
Sambo baya.
So you're saying in a relationship, the better liar is a mommy.
It's not a better liar.
Yeah.
Na bad liar.
Oh. Okay, Eleanor.
I think daddy.
Okay, right.
Daddy lies the most.
Right.
Yeah.
All right.
Because in order to save himself,
More?
he will come up with plenty of excuses.
Right.
For example,
Right.
if he is planning to go and drink grog
Right.
in the afternoon,
Right.
he will call mommy.
Right.
Mommy, please.
So in that
I'm
way,
really sorry.
relationship bond is weak.
Yes.
Right.
Mommy, I'm very sorry. Yeah? You can have dinner first with the family
Right.
I
Bring
will come
another
later.
daddy to have dinner with you.
because
Oh, sa nagor sa to kumikina mo niya ko.
I will be working overtime.
All right, all right.
Mommy thought that daddy is working overtime. Okay.
I love. Okay, come.
Yeah, continue.
But mommy don't know that daddy is is having grog session
So in other
somewhere
words,
else.
daddy lies.
Yes,
Right.
daddy lies the most.
Okay.
Comes up with all the excuses.
Right.
We are celebrating the birthday
Right.
of our boss.
Right.
You know
So
why
I
we
will
lie?
be coming late.
You know why?
Why? Why?
Because your skirty is very tight.
Right.
Sometimes you don't allow us men to go.
Right.
That's why we lie.
No,
Right.
but you don't have to lie. No, because when you lie,
We
one
true
day.
men have machine solely.
Okay, next one.
Okay.
Who is more jealous?
Oh.
Is it mommy or daddy?
Daddy.
Mommy.
Wait, you first.
Mommy.
Daddy
Ikaw,
is
mommy,
always
binakati
jealous.
din.
Daddy is always jealous.
Jealous about mommy.
Yes.
Okay, like
Why jealous?
When mommy wants to go and
Right.
go to the hair salon, and
Right.
make her beautiful.
Right,
Oh,
right.
daddy there.
Because daddy, the reason why she is
Don't.
daddy jealous.
What?
Because when you people
So you
go,
jealous?
go to the hair salon,
Yes.
when you go to the hair salon,
Yeah.
after coming to the hair salon,
Yeah.
you don't want to stay home. You're moving around. Why show off your hair? I'm the one paying for your hair. I'm the one who will see this is beautification. Why you want to take another one? Why you want to show off to another one? Ako biya ko tipori.
So, in other words, you're saying daddy is much more jealous than mommy.
Yes.
Liar. Sinibera mo yung bilesin niya. Liar.
So, who is more jealous?
Jealous is mommy.
All right, Maya, explain.
When
Why?
mommy is jealous,
Right.
it shows how mommy loves daddy.
Right.
It shows how humiliate in a vapor of nature.
Right.
Mommy, when he's jealous about daddy, he don't want daddy to be part of any other.
Right.
Because daddy is the head of the head
Here.
coming to the family. He is
Yeah.
a backbone
Head,
of the mommy.
shoulders, knees, and toes.
Para naman kayo. Yeah. So when mommy is there,
Yeah.
is jealous about it because daddy,
Yeah.
when daddy is moving away from the home,
Right.
the one
Atmosphere.
it's like the letter given by
Yeah.
William Elalalu to Tamaya Borosa from Maniaba.
Oh,
Sa
yes.
posto kan doon ang anenda to di. Posto ko di ngayon doon na po sa his caption like this on the Facebook post on her picture,
Right. Profile picture.
something beautiful.
Right.
And the fella comment like this at the bottom. Beautiful is worthless when the brain is empty.
One nice profile picture.
One nice profile picture and one caption is there, something beautiful.
Right.
And you know that caption,
Yeah,
one
yeah.
heart
Yeah.
and effects
Yeah.
in there.
Right.
And William Elalalu to show the picture,
Yeah.
everybody out tabale,
Yeah.
and he write a comment down there. Beautiful is worthless when the brain is empty.
That is a sign of jealousy.
Baby in the morning ndo binaudhi. Mena numinga kina melambasa.
Right.
Iyo. Oh. Iyo binaka. Ndo pusotia uzambatonga ngona matalilo ndo na lenga to na matagu.
Right.
Buni nongo zambatonga.
Awi rombutako.
Enalanga niso. Wanti Marina, sabu ndo bulatani ala tamani.
Right.
Baby in the morning.
Oh, correct.
When mommy looks beautiful. When mommy looks beautiful from occasion, daddy say no more, go stay home.
So that means daddy is more jealous.
Tinehato.
Nabalebu tinehato. Very true.
Maybe she's going through that. You know?
When mommy stay home and daddy go, because daddy wants to powder too.
You know what Eleanor was saying? Like you said, you stay there, you have dinner with the kids.
Yes.
And then...
excuses. Yes.
So you're lying, eh?
Yes, you're lying.
No jealousy.
No jealousy.
Love each other in this weather.
Right. Because it's cold, eh?
It's cold
Right.
and very greasy.
Right.
Daddy is lying just like the...
Samus glasses.
Tinehato hari-hari. Tombulan.
Yeah, see,
Daddy said
when you say that you're going somewhere,
yes.
are you still doing work? And he said, Mom, you can have dinner. How about when you come home and you see another daddy there having dinner and like you lied to them?
Kosan nga nabunanggor na bitan lo kinayandikan. Pero natatanggiring-giring bala ng talon-talon.
Nabalik ka na mawa dito ba?
Alam, may lakat yung nakanang buto ako.
Why nga you want to lie?
All the kids are like lying down.
Garton dapat tunang ko nito sa kadidital to kami ko na dito. Agay pabuli dito ko nang ko namundo ta.
Wag ka doon rukandra la. Just like in the movie.
Sinisudo.
Elesiti na iya. Mikay lang kalombula.
Belum nak ceri-ceri. Isa. Nabalam sarah kita sana may dabe ke. Namba kita talene kabini mataka be kabini nasar sar chumay na baka bini. Thank you so much to Punjesa celebrating 90 years and
Vinod Patel.
right. See you tomorrow.